today we're going to make these fries. I need A because my name's over. Now I'm going to make M to make McDonald's fries. We're going to make fries and the package. Let's start. We're going to need markers, pencil, and paper and some glue. And let's start. Okay. You have to draw this. You have to make this. Wait, did I fix it? I need a ruler, but I don't have any ruler. Okay. Now I'm done. Now we're going. Oh wait. Oh, here you are. I'm going to start. I don't know what to do. Anyway. Okay, we're gonna draw this. Make it like this, and we can make this a little bit better. If you remember. Make sure you get it right. Okay, I don't need that. It's good. Need them going. I don't know how to draw stuff anyway. Okay, I did that. You have to draw like that. Then you have to make and you have to get this here. Looks like a shirt. It says not on it. Then you have to make a line like this. Then you have to make another line close to that. Then now I'm going to put, wait, I forgot. Oh yeah, I have to make your letter here, whatever letter you want. Means I'm going to make an M because I want to. You can make any letter you want, even the letter starts with your name or ends with your name. I'm going to start here. Okay, that's good. M. Now I'm going to drop my pencil to see. Good. We're going to do the same steps. I'm going to see. We're doing this. And now we're going to do this. Make sure it connects. Means I'm going to make sure it connects. This connects too. Me. And now we're going to get out. Emma. What? Emma. Okay, this connects. Yeah. You can fix it. I'm going to fix it. I fixed it. Now let's color. Take your red out. And I'm going to color it. Cut it all up means I am going to fold it. Means take the paper. You have to fold these parts right here. And I'm going to fold it carefully. Fold up these parts too. Get a bit back. Now you have to connect these. I don't know what I just said. Something went wrong. Okay, now I'm gonna fold up these. If this looks good. I made a mini version. I'm gonna make a mini version. Take your glue. And you have to glue these parts together. And I'm going to glue it up. I glued it up, everything I have. Now what I'm going to do is going to put these parts together. And I'm going to glue this up. These holes right here together. And glue up anything that's showing. Carefully. Okay, I glued it up. Close your glue. And make sure this holds right up. We're going to take inside. Oops, it opened. So did you close everything up? Like how I'm doing in the process. Then put your finger inside. Look what I did. Make sure it doesn't rip or anything. If it rips, you do the same thing. Do everything again. Oops, my camera got there. In the bottom, you're going to put it down. What I'm going to do. Oops, it's breaking again. I made this mini one. It's only 1 5. For it doesn't look like this in the end. You have to do this like that. It's very hard. Put your finger inside and then put this is going to open carefully. Means make sure it doesn't rip. Oops, okay, I did it. Let's now do the glue again. Oops, I closed it. This has to look. You have to make sure this has to go. So you have to glue everything again. Okay, I did it. Better. This stuff. You have to move these both sides again if it's open. Make sure the glue is on. It is not. Let's glue it on. You have to like open this and I'm gonna put glue. You have to hold the V5 and put it in. Like this. Like this. I made my packing list. Make the fries now. Okay. Don't be wasteful. Make a wait. Where can't be perfect all the time. Means make few lines. When you make the first line, oops, okay, this is better. You have to put this like this. You have to do this, 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 this. This, now this, oops, this, and this again. And you have that. A lot of, how many lines you can fit in there? I mean, I think I can put 4 lines. Maybe more. Now take your yellow marker or crown and color it. Now color the eye. Now I'm gonna. Now let's color. Let's cut. Now, according to the lines, you have to fold it. These lines right here, you have to fold the lines like this. You have to fold it with the pencil liner. I don't know what I'm doing. Here. Maybe I'll do this. No, that one makes stuff dirty. Okay, I fold everything like that. I should have fold it after. So what should I do? Means if you don't want to put glue or tape, you see this part sticking out, you can put it inside the hole you got. Before you put that in, you have to put glue where this part is like coming off. And then glue or tape. And I'm going to use glue then. And glue that part. Now you put these in, this part is sticking out. And carefully. Look, we made the first fry. Let's put it in. Now let's make more. I made my fries. Now I'm going to put them in. Oops. Yeah, I put all my fries in. I hope you like my video. Bye. I'm making these fries.